let's talk about how to make a plan that you actually stick to.
You know the feeling, right? A great plan that just completely falls apart. Why does that happen?
Well, here's a thought. What if it's not you? What if the plan itself is the problem?
Okay, step 1. Vague wishes get you nowhere. You need a true target.
So, get fit is a wish. Lose 3 kilograms by August 1st. Now that's a target.
It's the difference between a dream and a real mission. But a target isn't enough.
The next step, you have to plan for what's going to go wrong, because things always do. And there's a super simple formula for this. It's called IF, then planning.
For example, let's say you know that junk food craving is going to hit. You'd say,
Then I'll grab a healthy snack. See, you've already decided. The obstacle has no power.
And for the final piece, you've got to make the plan automatic. No thinking, just doing.
And we do that with 2 simple tools, anchors and reminders. Let me show you. An anchor is just a habit you already have, like that first cup of coffee. You just latch your new action onto it. So after I brush my teeth, I'll review my plan. And since we all forget things, you need reminders. Sticky notes, calendar alerts, whatever works.
and that's it. Those 3 steps take you from a flimsy wish to a plan that actually works. So, the only question left is, what's your first step going to be?